Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're gonna unbox a package that I received here from Allure. Have no idea what's in the package, so let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So I received two packages from Allure, and I didn't check them out yet. I just cut them so I can see what's in the bag. These are bonus items that Allure sent me, and if you guys are interested on seeing how you would get them, I figured I'd open them up with you so that I can be surprised and see exactly what they send out. I received two emails about probably 2 or 3 weeks ago stating that I referred some friends into getting the Allure subscription. And if you're curious as to how I did that, basically I posted a picture of what I received in my Allure beauty box probably last month, or I do that every month. But I always say, hey guys, if you're interested in getting this box, let me know. If you guys go to your Allure beauty box account, there's like a share code that you can share with people. And if someone signs up, you guys can get a bonus gift. So these are the, I guess, 2 people within the last month signed up for Allure Beauty, and they kind of came at the same time, and it's not a coincidence because that's the time when I unboxed my last Allure Beauty box last month. So if you guys want to check that video out, you totally can. I will put that in the end of this video so you guys can check it out. But this is not a YouTuber thing. This is definitely I share on Instagram and Facebook. So if folks are interested, I tell them to contact me and let me know. So that's, if they sign up, then Allure will send you beauty bonus gifts or beauty products, because I don't know what's in these packages, so I can't say what it is. So let's dive in. So if you're not sharing if you have a Allure beauty box and you're definitely not sharing your code, share it. Let people know that, hey, I love this subscription, or I hated it. People are gonna ask you, you know, what is that? How do you sign up? And you can totally give them your referral link. So that's super simple, not a big deal. And if you guys love subscription boxes like Allure Beauty, definitely make sure you like and subscribe. We unbox a ton of different subscriptions. We have spoilers on this channel. We do a ton of different things. So if you guys love videos like that, definitely like and subscribe. But let's get into see what they sent out for this time around. So I have 2 packages. Let me see. And I believe there were like 3 different items in each. Yes, so there are. So the first item I see here, this is from my favorite company. This is from Way. So if you guys can see that there, and I will actually probably take a closer photo so that you guys can see. And then this is a leave-in conditioner. So I actually have the bigger bottle of this one that I received in my FabFitFun, but it's actually almost running out, and my daughter and I use this all the time. So I have that, and then we also have a finishing cream, so that's cool. As you can see, my hair is curly, so I always need finishing cream or something just to maintain, especially when I do my hair blowers, when I blow out my hair. So we have those 3. So the other item here, what is this? What is this? Oh, it says scalp. Hold on. What is this? Scalp scrub. So this is a scalp scrub. I've never tried that before. I'm definitely down to trying that. So let me see what's in this one. I'm gonna assume it's probably the same thing, but yes. So it's the same thing, which is fine. And if you think about it in a sense, it's kind of like you're getting almost close to the full-size product. So I will definitely put the retail value of these products in the description below. I'm sure they don't send the same bonus gifts every month, but I'll put them in the description below so you guys can check them out, see if they're worth it. They were free, so it's definitely, I guess you can say I paid $15 for the Allure Beauty subscription, and these were like for free. So these are like bonus items that came with my box. But these were 6 bonus items, so that was definitely worth it for just giving the link out. Seriously guys, these were free products. Gives me a chance to check them out, see if I can recommend them for you guys in my hits and misses video when I do those, once I empty these out. So I am definitely excited to receive this. And again, if you guys dig Allure Beauty Box, I will put their link below. I know your first box is $10, so I'll put that information below. They always give a free bonus box with every subscription, and I always post Allure spoilers. So I put at the end of this video, I put the most recent Allure Beauty box spoiler so that you guys can check it out and see if you would be interested in the next box. But with that being said, let me know if you guys have ever tried any of these products. I'm definitely down to try them. The only product I've tried so far is this one, and we love it. So I've never tried the finishing cream from Way and not the scalp scrub. Never tried that before, but I'm definitely down for it. Let me know if you guys have tried these products for sure, because I have never, especially these two, I've never tried those two, so I definitely am interested. I know that Ways are very expensive lines for hair, so I'm definitely down to try anything that they have, especially if it's free. So if you're like me, you love free makeup, so why not try to share your link with someone so that you can try some free products from Allure Beauty. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you love subscription boxes, if you love spoilers, because that's what we do here. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.